Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks Online rules for clean expense tracking. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the left-hand menu and select Banking. Choose the account where you want to set up the rules. Click on the Bank Rules tab located in the upper right corner. Select the New Rule button to create a new rule. Name your rule descriptively for easy identification. Choose whether the rule should apply to money in or money out. Set the conditions for the rule based on your needs. For example, you can specify transaction amounts or vendor names. Select the bank or credit card account this rule will apply to. Choose to apply the rule to all transactions or limit it to specific ones. Next, set up the actions you want to take if the conditions are met. You can categorize the transaction to a specific expense account. Optionally, you can add a description or tag for better tracking. Click on Save to create the rule. Review your rules regularly to ensure they align with your spending patterns. Edit or delete any rules that are no longer necessary. Monitor your transactions to see how the new rules affect expense tracking. This will help maintain clean records and simplify financial reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.